Okay, our final two problems of the day. We're given two rectangular prisms that are similar. Find the surface area and the volume of each prism and then compare the scale factor. Is this the relationship you expected? Stay tuned to find out. So first, these scale factors. To go from 3 to 6 and 2 to 4s, we are multiplying by 2. So, got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and find the volume and the surface area of the smaller prism. So volume, 3 times 2 would be the area of the base, times my height, which is 2. So that is 12. The surface area. So surface area is just saying, well, when I take this just front-facing rectangle, I want to know what is the area of it. Then I want to take the area of this rectangle, and then the area of this square. And then remember, there's also a backside to this rectangle, and another side, and then a bottom. So the surface area of this first guy would be 3 times 2, but since there's 2 of them, we have to multiply by another 2. Then the top would also be 3 times 2, but there's a bottom, so times that by 2. And then our side is 2 by 2, but there's another side, so we have to times that by 2 again. So we're essentially doubling with those end 2's. And that equals 32. So my volume is 12, surface area is 32. On to our bigger prism. Volume equals 6 times 4 would be the area of the base, times our height, which is 4, so 96. And then the surface area, similar type of problem. We take that front facing us, which is 6 times 4, and remember there's a back, so you have to multiply by 2. We do the top, which is also 6 times 4, and then there's a bottom, so we double it. And then our sides, which are 4 by 4, and we double those. So that equals 128. So remember, our K value was 2. So let's see if there's any type of relationship between the volumes here, or the surface areas. So starting with the volume, the bigger surface area, or the bigger volume, was 96, and the smaller volume was 12. That equals 8. Our K value was 2. Remember, when we give our answers of volume, it is given in some units cubed. So does our K value of 2 cubed equal 8? Well, you bet so. So that checks out. There is our relationship. What about surface area? Surface area of the big was 128 divided by 32, which was our small. 128 divided by 32 equals 4. Since we're dealing with area, we would square this. So is our K value of 2 squared equal to 4? You bet it is. So there's our relationships of volume is cubed, area is squared. Final problem, same setup. Instead, we're just given triangular prisms, and we're told that these are in fact similar. So to go from 6 to 4, we're actually getting smaller here. So our K value, 4 divided by 6, which simplifies to 2/3. So our K value is 2/3. And we are just asked to find the volume. Well, if volume 1 is 27, and we're going to volume 2 And we know our K value. Well, what do we know about volumes with the K values and their relationship? We can do the K value cubed. So in our case, that would be 2/3 cubed. And when you cube things, they go onto both top and bottom. So this becomes 8/27. So volume 1 times our relationship K value of 8/27 will equal volume 2. We were told that volume 1 equals 27. So 27 times 8/27 equals what? Well, that just equals 8, and our units are centimeters cubed. So again, make sure that you are cubing your K value when given volumes. Enjoy your day, everyone. You all are great people. See you tomorrow.